Hey everybody, Ratty Dog here. How y'all doing? I've got my camera set up here to show you a new saw I got in. This is a 8-inch ZEEKSAW. You see the name there, ZEEKSAW, and they've asked me to do my honest evaluation on it. So I'm going to show you what I think of it, and we'll go out and cut some firewood. I've got some timber out here on my firewood pile, and we'll cut some logs up and see how she does. But right now I'm just going to do an unboxing and show you. Here's the actual saw right here. Nice saw. It has an ambidextrous safety, so you can use either hand with the trigger safety here. You got to depress that before the saw will start, and it works with both hands. That's nice. I like that. It also has an oiling system. Very simple. It's right there. You just take that cap off, give it a few pumps, and you've got oil to your chain. The chain tensioner is pretty simple. See this right here? All you do is loosen that up. If your chain gets loose, which they do when you cut a lot, and then you just tighten it up with that right there, and then tighten this wing nut back down to hold it in place. Very easy, very quick to do. Some of them are a little more cumbersome than that. I like the fact that this is easy to adjust the chain tension. Very cool. Seems very powerful. We're going to find out. Also comes with 2 batteries. These are the 21-volt lithium-ion batteries. They stay charged for a good long time. And one thing that I like too is it gives you battery indication, battery life right there. See that? It tells you how good the battery is up. And this one has, red, yellow, and green, so if you're at green, you're at full charge, and then you go to yellow and red, so that'll kind of tell you where you're at with your battery life. It has a good manual here, very straightforward stuff to learn. It comes with an extra chain, which is cool. Comes with these glasses, pretty cool. Let's see what they look. How you look, man? How's it look when I do this? Anyway, we're going to go out. We're going to cut up. Here's your battery charger, too. Comes with a charger. They even give you a pair of little gloves here. Very, very handy. I'm going to use my own gloves. I'm not going to use those. I'll throw them in a drawer, and I'll use them for something, but not for cutting. But anyway, I'm going to go out. I'm going to cut with this, and we'll see how she does. I'll be back. Hey, guys. I'm out here by my wood pile. I've got my wheelbarrow set up here that I haul my lumber with, and I've got my ZEEKSAW right here. This is an 8-inch ZEEKSAW. The battery's fully charged, and we're going to do some cutting with it. I'm going to show you how this thing cuts. All right, now this piece here, this is a good, probably 4-inch piece of oak. All my firewood is oak, and this is an 8-inch saw, so that's probably 3.5 inches or so. But let's give it a go. That's cutting pretty good, guys. You see that? Now that didn't slow down at all. It didn't bind. It didn't even slow down. Let's do another piece. I'm not pushing through this. You can see my hand back here. I'm not pushing this through. I'm just holding it in place. Let the saw do the work. That's pretty good. Now that's pretty dang good right there. Let's do a bigger piece. Let's see how this bigger piece does. Okay, this is going to be good 4.5 inch piece of lumber there. You can see it right there. This is good heavy oak. Good heavy oak wood. This is what I use for my fires. Here we go. Cuts through it pretty good, guys. It's not bogging down is what I like. It's not stopping. When it gets halfway through there, and that was my fault. I did that. I let go of the trigger. There you go. It's getting through there. There it goes. I'm going to do it one more time just to show you it'll do it. It's not a fluke. It's got a little thinner piece, but it's still going through the full width. again. I let go of the trigger. Me again. You can see it's cutting right through there. There it is. Pretty good saw, guys. I'd say that's a good saw. That's a good sized piece of oak. Now this is solid oak. That's a good hardwood. And that's gonna take it a bit to get through, but it got through it. And the only reason it stopped is because I released the lever on the side. This is the safety that releases whenever you're sawing, and the lever releases so it doesn't think you got a good grip. It's kind of like a kickback safety. So it did that whenever I was doing it. But great saw, good product, works excellent. And that's what I got to say, guys.